Hey everyone, I'm doing a tutorial today on one of the Morphe palettes. It comes in this box. I chose the 25B Bronzed Mocha. Now, when I looked at these in the store, they were almost all browns and orangey browns and very, very warm colors. So I chose the one that had the most taupe colors in it. And inside the box, the palette itself came in bubble wrap, so that was nice. Because the thing is, this is only $19 and you get 25 colors with it. Now, do I like this gigantic palette? No, I don't even know where I'm going to put it. It hasn't been in my makeup cabinet. Yeah, it's not gonna store anywhere. I think they could cut these in half and or make them with like 10 or 12 colors. But anyway, I'm holding it upside down now. Let me hold it up this way. So you'll see that there are more taupey colors in here, and even this one and this one. I also like that out of the 25, most of them are matte. There are only, and I know I already did my other segment, so there are 7 shimmer shades in this. You do get some fallout, not a lot. It's not super pigmented, so you do have to work on it to build it up. And let's see, what else do I want to say other than that it's gigantic. So let's get started, and I'll show you how I created this look, trying to get as taupey as possible and not too warm, although I do think it came out kind of warm in the end. I've already done my face makeup and my eyebrows, and I've also done one line of eyeliner with this Lancome kohl pencil. This is in the color called Black Ebony, just along the top line. So first, what I'm going to do is line my under eye and go over that eyeliner with this tiny little brush. And now I have to pick something, and I think under my eye I'm going to go with this color, which there is one of these things. That color is called Talk. And I'm just going to dip my brush in, tap it off, and I'll be showing you this eye, and then when I do my right eye, I'll either edit it out or go super fast in the editing. So I'm just going to go along the edge. Just a bit. And then to go over the eye pencil, I think I'm going to go with this color in the corner down here, and that is called Effort. So it's more of a dark charcoal color. I'm just going to smudge it along the edge. And I probably got more on there than I wanted, but I'll fix that when I'm doing my eyeshadow. Now I'm ready for a transition shade above the crease, and I'm going to use this color at the top in the center, and that is called Image. It's kind of a warm taupe, and I'm using this e.l.f. brush, which is rounded at the top, and it's not too dense. And on me, I go around the top of the crease, and then I go out to the edge just to bring that color up. And then I bring it down a little bit. That color is somewhat on the warmer side, which is a little surprising because it is quite taupey. So now I'm going to, and I'm going for a day look today that's a little bit glammy, but not too much. So in the crease, I'm going to put this color that's right below it, and that is called, all right, that's called Talk. That's the one I did the other edge. All right, let's see. I'm going to use this carroty brush that's pointed. going in the crease and a little bit out to the edge, but not completely covering up that other color I did, and then coming down to the edge of the eye. And of course this isn't blended yet. Now I'm going to blend with this blendy brush. Next, I'm going to go in with this first color and the brow area, brow bone area. Let's see, what is that called? I can't read that. It's called Shy. And I'm going to use this wider brush for that. There's some fallout on this. At first there wasn't a lot. I'm getting a lot more on this. Now, I decided I'm wearing black today, and out in the very outer corner, I'm going to use this color that looks like a magenta plum. I wonder if it's going to pull more pink or if it's going to pull more plum. And that color is, really? It's called Thief. Great. I'm going to use my tiny little angled brush for this. This one I'm getting more fallout coming out. And I'm just going to put it in the outer corner. If you can see where I'm putting that. And pulling it up a little bit, but not much. On me, too much can happen really fast. All right, before I get carried away, I'm going to blend, and I'm going to blend up. This one I got too much on. All right. And then on the lid, I'm going to go for one of the shimmers. I didn't tell you before, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmers out of 25. So that's a lot of mattes. So I think I'm going to use, let's see, I'm going to go for this one in the middle, and that is called Sparkle. And let's see, I'm going to use this little brush for Sparkle. When I've used these shimmers before, it took some time to build it up. Now this is a little warmer than I maybe thought I was going to put on. Okay, that's going on pretty well. But it does have kind of a copper, it does pull kind of copper. Then I'm going to go over it again with this light color just to clean some stuff up. Clean something up over there. This is what happens to me sometimes on the edges. And I try not to put too much makeup underneath. So looking in the monitor down below the camera here, it does pull kind of warm. So I was going for the taupey look today. Okay, I don't like what I did here. So off camera, I'm going to clean this up. Next, I'm going to put on some mascara off camera, and I'll be right back. So that's the finished look. Product descriptions and links are in the description box below the video. You can just click those links and go ahead and check them out. And please check out some of my other videos. You can click one of the images on the right side of your screen. And thanks for watching. Bye.